like, do you save any money compared to, like, if you had a regular car and paid for the
So
gas?
okay, so everything gets thrown back into the business, like everything, the websites, the subscriptions, um, but I lost. So I had my original Tesla. So my original Tesla, that was my baby. That's what I call the white knight. Um, but that was the one that started everything. But the expenses on a Tesla is nothing. I mean, by the time I lost it, I had 120,000 miles on it, and I was still zero. I was like zero maintenance.
Oh,
Um,
wow, okay.
yeah, the only thing that I've ever gotten on the car was tires. That's it. Uh, so I was making a lot of money, and I got into this Facebook group, calling for help and stuff because I didn't know what to do. I was making a lot of money, and I knew I was going to be paying a lot of taxes, so I had to incorporate. That took
Mhm.
a lot of money. The CPA, the filing taxes, the bookkeeper. So the more money I made and the more everything turned into a business, everything just started just eating away at the money. Everything was good while I had the Tesla, my own Tesla. Um,
Okay.
and then when I got into the accident, then everything just kind of just turned upside down, and so now I'm trying to get out because I incorporated, but for me to pay less in taxes, I had to pay myself a small amount. So now my company makes all the money. So my company can afford the payments, but not me personally. So
Okay.
so when I apply for a loan, I can't justify the payment with what I make, but my company can pay for it, and the company has the money and the credit, but I can't. It doesn't have enough history. I need 2 years, so I'm 6 months off. So I'm in a
Okay, I
stalemate.
see.
I'm stuck.